Hello, it's Harry here from the Pet Carpenter, and we've got this gorgeous dresser style piece of furniture to show you today. So we will start as normal with our dog bedroom. At the bottom you've got this lovely cozy space for the dogs to come and go as they please. We do have a sliding door towards the front of this furniture which latches securely in the middle there, creating that little bit of security for the dog. But when we want the dog to come and go as they please, it slides back halfway across the furniture. You will see we've got this bespoke roller blind along the top, creating that nice cozy space for the dog at night time, and then the fitted matching cushion as well. Really lovely feature. Onto the storage section, we do have a lovely cupboard with a matched oak shelf in the middle there with the worktop. Onto the drawers at the top, we do have these two really nice size storage drawers, and we've matched the cup handle with the client's furniture and kitchen as well. Moving on to the worktop of this particular piece, you will notice it's an Ammonite coloured worktop, so it's been painted. It is still a solid oak worktop, which is matched with the shelving that you can see above the furniture. The main frame of this piece of furniture is Hague Blue by Farrow Ball, which complements the whole piece really lovely too. And that completes the tour of this bedroom. Thank you very much for watching.